If you've got a karaoke bar and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your karaoke bar. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, Karaoke Bar. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Marty a few basic details about our karaoke bar so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, your state or region. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that one off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of your karaoke bar, the different facilities you have, maybe a few menu items you offer, and you want to showcase it on your website. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to this content, make it a bit more personalized to your business. You can absolutely do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. Let me show you how easy it is to make edits to your Mighty Sites websites. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address for my business. I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers. So let's go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call. And physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links put on the various social media platforms your business is active on, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on that little pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo, make it bigger and smaller. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your Mighty Sites website, you don't need to know color coding at all. All you need to do is click on that little paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There are so many to choose from. For each section you would like to make a bit more personalized to your own business, click on that white button directly underneath the section. Underneath update images where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through that photo library. We've got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from, as you can see. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account if you have a business profile and automatically pull in those photos. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons, the text on the buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file of your menu if you wish to. And the next section is where you can put in your opening hours for your karaoke bar. Once you put them in for the various days, then click on save. The page will automatically reload after saving and display your hours for your customers' convenience. Now, domains are super easy as well. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on that button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that yellow button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform as well. Hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on the Mighty Sites platform for your karaoke bar. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.